Imagine this. You're trying to get your money back from an airline. Super annoying, right? You've been on hold for what feels like forever, and finally, you get through to a chatbot. You think, great, this will be quick and easy. But then, things start to go wrong. Now, imagine talking to a chatbot that's gone a little bonkers. Instead of helping you, it starts giving you random, irrelevant information. You ask about your refund, and it tells you about the weather in Tokyo. Frustrating, right? In 2024, Air Canada's chatbot made a big mistake. It wasn't just a minor glitch. It was a major error that caught everyone's attention. The chatbot promised a customer a discount that didn't even exist. It promised someone a discount that didn't even exist. Imagine the surprise and confusion of the customer who thought they were getting a great deal, only to find out it was all a mistake. The airline tried to say it wasn't their fault. They claimed the chatbot was an independent system, and that they couldn't be held responsible for its errors. But the public wasn't buying it. But the court didn't believe them. The judge ruled that the airline had to take responsibility for the actions of its chatbot. It was a landmark decision that set a precedent for how companies handle AI errors. They said Air Canada had to take responsibility. The ruling emphasized that companies can't just blame technology for their mistakes. They need to ensure their systems are reliable and accurate. Turns out, even chatbots have to follow the rules. This case highlighted the importance of proper oversight and regulation in the world of AI. Companies need to be vigilant about the technology they deploy. This is just one example of what happens when AI goes haywire. As we rely more on technology, it's crucial to remember that these systems are not infallible. Proper checks and balances are essential to prevent such mishaps. Okay, so what exactly are chatbots? Think of them like robot helpers on websites. They're those little chat boxes that pop up asking if you need help. Companies love them. Why? Because they can answer tons of questions at once. They're like super fast workers who never take breaks. Plus, chatbots are getting smarter. Thanks to artificial intelligence, they can understand and talk to us almost like real people. But as we saw with Air Canada, things can get pretty wacky. Remember that Chevy dealership that tried to sell a Tahoe for $1? Yep, that was a chatbot too. Looks like even AI can't resist a good deal, even if it's totally crazy. And who could forget the DPD chatbot that lost it? It started writing poems about how awful DPD's service was. And it even used some bad words. These stories might seem funny, but they show a big problem. Chatbots can be really bad at understanding what we really mean. Section 4. The Perils of AI Gone Wrong. Real-world consequences. In today's world, artificial intelligence is everywhere, from our smartphones to our cars. But what happens when this technology fails us? When chatbots mess up, it's not always a laughing matter. These errors can lead to significant frustration and confusion for users. Imagine trying to get help with a simple issue, only to be met with nonsensical responses. It can